I will walk into the bowling alley. I will wait in line to pay and get my bowling shoes. I can find the lane number the employee tells me to go to. I will put my bowling shoes on. I need to wear these shoes when I bowl. These will help me from slipping and falling. I can enter the name of those bowling onto the screen. I will find a bowling ball that fits my fingers and make sure it is not too heavy. We are now ready to bowl. The name will be highlighted on the screen to show whose turn it is. I will pick up my ball, walk to the line, and throw the ball. I can watch it go down. I will throw the ball 2 times when it is my turn. I will wait for the ball to come back. I will pick up my ball and throw it again. When my turn is over, I can sit down and wait for my next turn. My friends or family will go next. When someone else is going, I can sit and cheer them on while waiting for my next turn. If all the pins go down, this is called a strike. If I get a strike, I will only throw 1 ball that round. Bowling alleys have bumpers. These help the ball stay in the lane. I can use them to help me bowl. When I am bowling, I want to stay behind the line. If I step over, I can slip and I will hear a beep. After I bowl 10 frames, the game will be over. I might play another game, or I will be finished. Every bowling alley is different. After I'm done bowling, I will put my ball away. Then, I will take my bowling shoes off and put my shoes back on. I can put my bowling shoes in a bin or back on the counter. Most bowling alleys have food and games. It is up to an adult if I'm allowed to get a snack or play games.